Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Wollongong. Flipping some trains here for you guys. Now on platform 1, Kiama service. The train will stop at Coniston, Uniondale, Adapter, then all stations to Kiama. Hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll see you when the train departs. Now departing platform 1, Kiama service. Platform 2 this is.
Platform 1?
No, this is platform 2. Okay. Front 4 cars, H44, rear 4 cars, H28. Next train on platform 1's waterfall service in 18 minutes, and then I'll see you in the next train on platform 2 is. Well, the glitchy announcement, that just happened. Next train's a Port Kembla service in 17 minutes. Now arriving on the platform 1, Wollongong service. This train is 1 minute early. This train will stop at North Wollongong, then Ferry Meadow, Taraji, and then all stations to Waterfall. The set is T26. Gosh, I'm about to get knocked over from this wind. I'm only going to film only one more train after this, so it's very windy and every train's in 20 minutes to half an hour. So anyways, now about to depart platform number 1, waterfall service. The train will stop at North Wollongong, Ferry Meadow, Taraji, then all stations to Waterfall. Shit, don't know when it will depart. Now departing platform 1, waterfall service. Just standing in the shade here. It said doors closing, doors are closed. There we go. Here goes T26. The train, as I said before, the train will stop at North Wollongong, Ferry Meadow, Taraji, then all stations to Waterfall. Next train's a central service in 26 minutes. Now arriving on the platform 2, Port Kembla service. The train will stop at Coniston, Lysats, Cringula, Port Kembla North and Port Kembla. The set is T19. T19 now departing platform 2 for a Port Kembla service. I forgot there for a second. The train will stop at Coniston, Lysats, Cringula, Port Kembla North and Port Kembla. Next train terminates.
Here. Please do not join this train.
In 20 minutes it will terminate. Next train on platform 1, central service in 18 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye everybody.